You need to watch this if you struggle with bed bugs. Here's a secret weapon you probably have in your kitchen. Alright homeowners, let's talk bed bugs. They're the uninvited guests that just won't leave. But did you know kidney bean leaves might be the ultimate eviction notice? Here's the lowdown. Ancient folklore says these leaves have tiny hook-like hairs that trap bed bugs. Just spread them around infested areas and watch those critters get stuck. It's like nature's own sticky trap. And the best part? No harmful chemicals, just pure organic power. So next time you see a bed bug, grab some kidney bean leaves from your pantry. Say goodbye to those pesky invaders and sleep tight. Got more tricks up your sleeve? Let us know in the comments. Bed bugs are more than just a nuisance. They can cause sleepless nights and itchy, irritating bites. Many people spend countless hours and dollars trying to find effective solutions. Chemical pesticides can be harmful to your health and the environment. That's why natural remedies like kidney bean leaves are gaining popularity. These leaves have been used for centuries in various cultures for their pest-repelling properties. The process is simple, just gather some fresh kidney bean leaves and spread them around the infested areas. As the bed bugs crawl over the leaves, they get ensnared by the tiny hook-like hairs. This method is not only effective but also safe for your family and pets. Once the leaves have done their job, you can easily dispose of them in an eco-friendly way. It's a win-win situation for both you and the environment. Imagine going to bed without the worry of waking up to itchy bites. So why not give this natural remedy a try? Share this tip with your friends and family, and help them sleep better too. And don't forget to leave your own tips and experiences in the comments below. Together, we can find more natural and effective ways to tackle those pesky bed bugs. Thanks for watching, and here's to a peaceful, bed bug-free night. Let's dive deeper into the science behind kidney bean leaves and their incredible ability to trap bed bugs. According to research from the University of Kentucky, these leaves are equipped with microscopic hooked hairs that can ensnare bed bugs as they crawl over them. This fascinating discovery has its roots in ancient practices from Eastern Europe, where people have used kidney bean leaves for centuries to combat bedbug infestations. The hooked hairs on the leaves act as a natural trap, piercing the legs of the bedbugs and immobilizing them. This method is not only effective but also environmentally friendly, as it eliminates the need for harmful chemical pesticides. By using kidney bean leaves, you can protect your home and your health simultaneously. So how exactly do these tiny hooks work? When a bedbug crawls over a kidney bean leaf, its legs become entangled in the hairs, making it impossible for the bug to move. This natural mechanism provides a safe and non-toxic solution to a common household problem. It's amazing how nature offers us such ingenious solutions. Next time you're dealing with a bedbug issue, consider turning to this time-tested, eco-friendly method. And remember, the more we share these natural remedies, the more we can help others find safe and effective solutions. Thanks for joining us in this exploration of kidney bean leaves and their surprising benefits. Stay tuned for more fascinating tips and tricks to keep your home pest-free. A study published in the Journal of the Royal Society Interface found that the leaves' trichomes effectively impale the legs of bed bugs, preventing them from moving. This natural method could be a sustainable alternative to chemical pesticides. But how can you practically use kidney bean leaves in your own home? First, you'll need fresh kidney bean leaves, which you can find at local markets or grow in your garden. Place the leaves around areas where bed bugs are commonly found, such as near your bed frame, under mattresses, and along the baseboards. Remember to replace the leaves every few days to ensure maximum effectiveness. Some researchers are even exploring ways to replicate the microscopic hooked hairs of kidney bean leaves in synthetic materials. This could lead to new, eco-friendly bedbug traps that harness the power of nature without the need for fresh leaves. By staying informed and using these natural methods, you can protect your home from bedbugs in a safe and sustainable way. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more innovative and eco-friendly pest control solutions. Further research by the American Chemical Society suggests that synthetic materials mimicking the structure of kidney bean leaves could be developed to enhance bedbug control methods. Imagine a future where eco-friendly pest control solutions are not just a possibility, but a reality. These innovations could make it easier and more efficient to manage bedbug infestations without relying on harmful chemicals. As we continue to explore the incredible potential of natural solutions, we move one step closer to a more sustainable and healthy living environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips and insights on eco-friendly living. Together we can create a better world one small step at a time. In addition to their pest control properties, kidney bean leaves are also being studied for their potential health benefits. Researchers have discovered that these leaves contain a variety of antioxidants and other compounds that may offer significant health advantages. For instance, antioxidants are known for their ability to neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Some studies even suggest that the anti-inflammatory properties of kidney bean leaves could be beneficial for conditions like arthritis and cardiovascular diseases. But that's not all. Preliminary research indicates that certain compounds found in kidney bean leaves may possess anti-cancer properties. While more studies are needed to fully understand these benefits, the initial findings are promising and open new avenues for natural health remedies. So, the next time you think about kidney bean leaves, remember that they are not just a natural solution for bedbug control, but also a potential powerhouse for your health. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the natural world, and don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly and health-conscious tips. Together, let's explore the wonders of nature and unlock its potential for a healthier, more sustainable future. In conclusion, kidney bean leaves offer a promising natural solution for bedbug control, backed by scientific research. Their unique structure and potential health benefits make them a valuable resource in both pest management and medical research. But don't just take our word for it, try incorporating these leaves into your own pest control routines and explore their health benefits for yourself. As we continue to uncover the hidden potentials of natural remedies, your engagement and curiosity can play a pivotal role. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest eco-friendly and health-conscious tips. Together, let's explore the wonders of nature and unlock its potential for a healthier, more sustainable future. Thank you for watching.